program. Objectives. At the end of the discussion, the student should be able to first identify what the person product is and its components. Second, enumerate the stages of the product life cycle and the destination life cycle. Third, recognize that the Philippines has a lot of tourist-worthy attractions. Fourth, discuss the product development process. Introduction. As mentioned in chapter 1, tourist sales are not just one product, but a complete experience. This chapter is found in what tourism and its components. Where the tourism product goes through a variety of stages from development to phase out. So here are the key players in the tourism industry. First, private and non-profit sectors. Second, public sector services. Third, suppliers. Fourth, travel intermediaries. And fifth is tourism. First is private and non-profit sectors. Include industry associations which have been established to protect special interest groups such as travel agency associations, media, and insurance companies. So, in private and non-profit sectors, is kasi siya mga independent, kasi wala siya kuan sa gobyerno, like mga travel agency association, academic, and media, and insurance companies.
Ranang gahatag og mga insurance sa mga employees, guro?
Second is public sector services. Cover either national, regional, or provincial tourism organizations. They come up with marketing programs to promote their destinations to both intermediaries and individual tourists. So, hindi siya ang gawin sa gobyerno. Nakagihimo sila o ng mga market, ganit like ito, may page na sa itong sa Lagos Oriental Tourism Kuan, ganit mo na pulong sa buglasan na mga activities. Experience bayawan. Third is suppliers, a person or organization that provides something needed such as a product or services. So, kabalo ng tawag sa ang suppliers. So, ang suppliers is, kung ano siya, mga tao or organization na siya mag-provide o provide
Product.
mga product or services sa mga kinanglan sa mga
Custom.
So, meron na sa suppliers is the transportation industry. Crucial to the success of tourism. Without an efficient transportation system and road networks, tourists would not be encouraged to come to the destination without lengthy, tiresome, and costly travel. So, importante mo yung transportation sa kung mag-travel ka kayo I don't know lang kung aban sa bayaran. So, ganing, first na mag-travel ka kaya ng mga buwan, na wala ganit siyang
Bra siya o kung mo kanabi ka og tour package. Brag ma-include na siya og nana kay mga transportation niya sa kay kung mo travel ka ba.
Siyempre kung wala ako lang dili efficient ang transportation, so dili ma-encourage ang mga tourists na turista na ato ang mga destination. So, next is accommodation sector. Covers a huge part of the tourist expenditure during travel. There are a variety of accommodation facilities to meet the customer's needs, preferences, and budget. So, importante piling accommodation, importante ko rin siya o mag-travel ka. So, okay. So, depende naman po siya, depende po siya sa customer's needs, sa iyang preferences, or sa iyang budget. So, next na po supplier is food and beverage privileged sectors. Another important supplier of the tourism industry, tourism industry, restaurants, bars, food stalls, and coffee shops help shape the total travel experience of tourists. So, food and beverage sectors, important po siya sa mas na-important sa supplier kay alam ko mo siya good ang dito sa atong travel sa food goods yung mga kuan sa bar. Next is attractions. Basic requirements in having a successful tourist destination is classified as natural or man-made attraction. Require ko siya sa mga kuan na mga picture. Next, events and conference play a key role in attracting both leisure and business travelers to the destination. Huge sporting events such as the Olympics and the World Cup attract tourists from all over the world either as participants or city tours in the event. So, pagkatong buglasan, para ay nananamin sa mga events and conferences. Fourth is, lain mo siya kuan sa, ikaupan siya kuan sa suppliers. Fourth is travel intermediaries. Help bring the tourism product, the customer is also known as channels of distribution.
Lahi na siya. Kay kuan na siya.
Atong 5 kapag
Okay.
Kapag nakita sa travel travel ano siya ka na doon sa gani paagi ka na sa pagpaagi ang tourism product sa customer din sa nimo paagi ka rin pagdala sa tourism product sa customer like maniyan sa online kani nga
Online promotion sa mga mga travel kan ba?
Fifth is tourism. The center of the tourism industry is the main consumers in the tourism startup. Choose where they want to go, what they want to eat, and what they want to do. So, tourists, the tourists. The center of the tourism industry is the main consumer at tourist kung sinamdun mo abay sa mga tourism startup. Kung asa sila maadto, kung silang dalahangan o asa sila maadto.
The next is the tourist product design. So, in our consumer marketing, a product is anything that can be offered to a market for attention, acquisition, use, or consumption that might satisfy the wants or needs. In tourism marketing, products have different components that make up the overall tourist product, but there are many products and services that form the entire experience. One of these components of tourism product first is destination attraction. A destination is a collection of attractions which is the elements of the tourist product that falls to a destination. Of course, when the visitor or the tourist travel, they are looking towards the destination or the attraction in that specific destination. Makapull sa tourist nga po travel sa isang lugar is the attraction of itself nga karang lugar. Next is destination facilities. A wide range of tourist facilities within the destination will help the tourist enjoy the destination attraction. Of course, this is also one of the important product in the tourist destination facilities. When the tourists will travel, they are looking forward to the facilities they will stay. So, kung ang tourist sabi mo travel sa isang lugar and they're looking forward to stay overnight, they're going forward to the facilities that they will become comfortable and they will be enjoying also mga dugang po sa ilang enjoy sa facilities if ang facilities ang ilang istayan is that na ay mga activity. Oo ko na yung pagkamaka-attract sa mga tourists or sa mga next is accessibility. For a tourist product to be highly successful, infrastructure services like airports, roads, bridges, and etc. and transportation system, direct flight of airplane, train, buses, etc. should be put in place. So, of course, one of the first product that the customer will looking for is the accessibility. If they're going to travel, if accessible ang mga transportation and for example, kung ano sila ang destination namin na medyo layo sa ilang lugar, so they're looking forward to the accessible nga pwede nilang masakyan like transportation if kung karaba, pilang ka hours ang biyahe, so they're looking forward to the mas mapadali-dali ang biyahe sa ilang travel. Hindi na sila mag-listen pa kung makakita ba dahil sila o kung naa ba dahil mga transportation sa ilang lugar nila. Wala ko lang ilang ilong for us if travel. Of course, kita ko, diba? Di man guro, di talayan yung travel sa isang kalugan, mag-listen pa tao, pangita o paagi yung sa itong masakyan. Depende kung ikaw ang type of tourist, kaya for adventure ka, kailangan mag-track-track ka dito sa bukid-bukid. Dalawi na ito, brand yes. Paano ko na is, karang kung ang accessibility is karang kung ang ibang transportation is suko sa destination niya yung mga aduan. Like for example, mo travel ka bukid, niya yung ka is katong. So, dapat ang mana po is, ang imong transportation is suko sa mga lugar na kapila. Next is image. Central to the product is its image, destination image of the visitors for representation of what they will experience. It also motivates them to make a decision to visit the destination. Of course, also kung maka-attract sa mga customer or sa mga tourists is the image of that specific attraction or destination. Ano ganing makapull o attraction sa mata sa kabra sa mind na natog expectation versus reality. Na kana ganing makita nato sa post maiganyo sa mga picture din mo na diba? Push factor daw na motivate daw. Motivate sa mga tourists or mga visitor nga mo travel mga destination na travel. No signal. Where are you?
Ikuan ra pindutan ra ng kuan diha. Enter sa kasa.
Sa keyboard tara.
Na.
Yan na din. Wala. Next will be the price. Of course, pricing is important component of the written product of consumers to determine the level of services they receive. Ikaw ang may traveler or person nga hindi mo travel but they're looking forward to the price ng destination or travel. Okay. If ever makaharo kayo na dili tayo worth it ang imong pag-travel, so ma-disappoint nga na ako. So, pricing is also important in introducing product because it will also attract the customer. Sa kung makakita sila o promotion namin the same na or the barato abi ang karang travel package, they're going to compute. Sana. Ito wala ila din na i-book or ila din na pa-order package. That's the lima? They're the components of tourist product, tourism product. Next topic will be discussed by Mr. Mata. Next, so next is the product that we have first or we have the communication, start supporting and reporting of content product. So for products are products that the consumer is really buying. So it's very specific. Not a core product is that the consumer is the product that the consumer is really buying. Facilitating products are goods and services that must be prepared for the guests to enjoy and use the core product. Dimata. I-offer sa guests that they are from ilan yung paliton na galing sila paliton and then okay.
Facilitating.
It's scan ka ng i-offer sa imo and then at ikaw mga consumers guys will be well, we are not going to working products. On the other hand, add value to the core product is also differentiated for it from its competitors. If a product they offer the product competitive advantage. What are the differences between the facilitating and supporting product? Facilitating for ang core products. So, ang facilitate, karang pagka-facilitate sa core product, and ang supporting is, support siya sa product sa core product ni mo, karang ipalit yun sa customer. Next, augmenting the product and factors that cause the consumer to consider the product. Product accessibility, geographical location, regional, atmosphere, customer instruction, and customer interaction with each other. So, consider that for example, para siyang product kung makita sa customer din, ganyan sila consider nila o palit. Ako ba? Lalaking nakaus. Ay, or facilitating, supporting, wala kayo sample? Dapat. ang summer product over sa product na palit.
Iga.
Ang core product is the product na palit sa customer. Ang facilitating product is that facilitate yung mapalit yung core product.
Accessible ba sa mga na
Parang siya ang mga kung naano ka sa travel sustainable brand kung may siya ang option natin, for example, kaya kape nga product not available, so na-apply yung mga product, pero mo na siya i-consider kasi siya man ang available.
kumbaga, kung ako sa city, ang core product ko tayo is for example, destination resort. Tapos, if augmented product siya, or ang mga resort sa cities na within the city lang, augmented or non-destination resort is augmented product siya, since mas low siya. Destination. Diba ang lechon manok? Ang core product
If sa tulisan sa mga products daw, pwede siya marinate right?
Ha?
Hindi pa rin ako pa. Ang core products, they are products that the consumer is going to buy and ang facilitating right. Now, for example, yung ipalit right, ay ka na painit. Gusto may mga products na mapalit ni mga na makasupport sa yung mga good products ni palit. Diba pa?
Siguro, ang sayo mo sample? Ang sayo mo sample? Hindi, wait lang. Ang sayo mo sample? Painit, ano?
Di ba, for example, yung core product ng ipalit kahit kape. Then, ang facilitating product na is pan, which is
Bili naman. For example, nagpalit ka kape, lahat. Ang facilitating product nila is simplahon nila ang kape.
dahil ang facilitating.
Ang facilitating is need mo siya para makonsume ang product. So, for you to consume the coffee, kailangan nagsimplahon siya. So, the facilitating product was ang init
There are goods that and services that must be present for the guest to enjoy and use the core product.
Diba? Ay,
Okay, gets na.
diba? Palit ka ng mga sachet niya kape, tapos pintlahon na nila, sa sachet niya kape, pintlahon na nila, ang facilitating product na is katong inilit na tubig na gipalit ko mo. Yan ang supporting product, is pwede siya itong pandesal para mas ma-enjoy yung mga core product.
Or commented.
It's not the reason,
Sa for example, sa beach, destination siya. Tapos kung ako dito sa facilitating services, pwede siya po
nasa yung mga, for example, mga CR, accommodation, or nalagay na yung mga gamit yun, snorkeling, mga gamit yun, na para maka-enjoy ko siya siya mga video.
Then, din sa supporting product, pwede siya kalin, or yan sa Boracay na naasay dagat at sa swimming pool. And sa augmented products,
Augmented is parang, ang sana nilang product, mas convenient para mo. For example, taga-city ka, tapos ganahan ka maka-enjoy of like feeling sa resort, or ganahan ka mag-bolero. Instead, kung ato ka sa usa ka destination, yan na yung ano lang ka sa resort na within the city. So,
Miss Maata.
The next topic is about the tourism marketing. Product consideration. In appealing to tourism products and services, consumers get considered. These factors include accessibility, consumer interaction, the service system. Like what Ms. Lutagay na discuss niya ay accessibility at consumer interaction. And the home production. Consumer get attracted in purchase if this consideration meets the standard of the customer. So the tourism marketing refers to the process where potential travelers evaluate different travel options, destination or services making before making destination. So as a traveler, so like evaluate sa nato asa atong ganahan nga mga atuan na destination, and before ta mo make a decision nga ang atong atuan nga destination. So next is the marketing nuggets. So this teaches in the world the Philippines as the best beaches in the world. Aside from El Nido and Boracay that have received international recognition, there are a lot of other beaches and islands in the country that are just beautiful. Like in Boracay, El Nido, so, top 10 most popular beaches in the world. First is Copacabana Beach, Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. Second, Waikiki sa Hawaii. And third, Cancun, Mexico. Fourth is the Surfers Paradise. Surfers Paradise, Australia. And this is the Negril or Jamaica. Seventh, South Beach, Florida. And sixth is the Pili Thailand.
Hoy, balik.
And the Boracay
Hoy!
Philippines,
Hoy!
Canary Island. And last is the Natadola Beach, Fiji. Sa Fiji. Next is the top 10 coolest beaches in the world. List 25 points. First is the Maho Beach. Saint Martin. Second is the Ancestors Beach, Argent sa Seychelles. Third is the Langkawi Beach sa Hawaii, which is the coolest beaches in Japan. And fourth is the Maldives. And Sinari sa Greece. El Nido, Philippines. This is familiar of us. Seventh is the last Islas sa Spain. Eighth is the Tayrona National Park sa Colombia. And ninth is the Red Beach, also in the Greece. And last is the Matera Point So, I have a question here, and how do you feel knowing that beaches in the Philippines are ranked among the top 10 coolest and the most popular beaches in the world? Who can answer? John, ikaw sunod eh. Sige ka kami. Ito, John.
I'm so very proud. I'm so very. I'm proud. Dito ako na, ako siya sa 10 coolest and most popular. Diba na ako ito katong sa 7 wonders at sa all Boracay. Sige na ako ng Boracay.
Ikaw.
Yeah, I feel proud but at the same time, guys, hindi ako siya, no? Kaya, nagalit siya din sa government, so hindi ko na kayo naman ako din. Except itong girihab ang Boracay. Girihab,
So, next, let's move on to the product life cycle. And tourism and hospitality, product life cycle can be referred to in two levels. First is specific products and services to the business or corporate deals such as hotel, restaurant, and resort, property, etc. Second is an aggregate of offering within a whole destination. So, this development, introduction, and growth, maturity, and decline time. The first is the product life cycles refers to the stages that a tourism product like a destination, travel package, or attention goes from its introduction to the market until its decline or removal. So first is talk all about the introduction. The introduction is the product is launched and marketing efforts are made to attract units or focus on the building awareness. So example is pag-launch sa resort again. So pag-launch sa resort is the introduction or pag-open sa resort. And second is the growth. More people start to visit and demand increase. The product is popularity and marketing aims to expand usage. So sa growth is makita na ito dili pag-increase, demand increase kay mga like for example na sa resort. So na-launch na siya bago siya kaya so ang sa growth is makita na ito dili ang kanang mga tao mag-visit sa ato sa resort. And dila mo start ang atong atong demand na mo increase. So next is the maturity. The product has a large standing customer base. That focus shift to maintaining interest, improving service, and staying competitive. So pagsunod sa growth kay sige naman kanang taglang visit sa atong resort. So atong i-maintain ang atong goods and services para balik-balik ang mga visitors sa atong destination or tourist spot. And next is the decline. Interest drops and fewer people visit. The product may be phased of the revamp and attract new customer. So pagkadugayan, pagkasunod sa majority na is pinatukuan, pagkadugayan na is siyempre season po ng one sa mga beaches namin. So may possibility siya na mo luman ako siya kay dili biya steady ang usa ka organization nga mo daghang may customer. So dili ko siya dapat mo steady ang usa ka resort nga mo daghang visitor. So may possibility siya nga. So understanding the life
Dili
Dito na ang keyboard.
So, understanding the product life cycle, it helps tourism marketing plan strategies for each stage to maximize success and extend the product lifespan. So, simply because ang life cycle is dito to maplano kung sa kalabasan in the future sa ato sa destination or tourist spot kung gamasa ng aplikar ng business. That's all.